Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about the wiring diagram of Wi-Fi circuit double contact. This is our battery, 12 volts, negative terminal and positive terminal. This is our body ground cable. Connect sa body ground, then ang positive patungo sa ating ammeter, then ang negative patungo sa ignition switch, terminal B battery, then ang ST natin ignition system, then ING ignition switch, then ECC fuse box natin. Then ang out sa fuse box guys, nakakonect sa wiper switch double contact. Ito yung wiper switch guys. Tatlo yung terminal niya guys. High, B, battery, and low. Dito tayo mag-connect sa fuse box natin guys. Dito sa center, sa battery. Then, ang high natin guys, i-connect natin dito sa motor, wiper motor natin. Double contact. Connect ang high. Ang low naman dito din sa motor guys. Tatlo yung terminal niya. Then, ang isa, ground, body ground. Wiper motor. Then, ito yung blade guys. Double contact. Blade niya. Wiper. Then, pag i-on yung wiper guys, switch, gumagana yung dalawang wiper, double contact. Gumagana guys. Then, i-off naman dito. Guys. Bible verse of the day. 1 Timothy chapter 2 verse 3. For this is good and acceptable in the sight of God our Savior. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you guys for watching and God bless. To God be all the glory.